If you want to create and set up a newsletter on MailChimp, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a new email campaign, choose a template, design your newsletter, customize the styling, set your recipient and sender details, and finally send your newsletter with confidence. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's begin with signing in to MailChimp. Open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Then sign in using your account credentials. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click Campaigns. This is where you will manage all of your email marketing campaigns, including newsletters. Now click Create in the top right corner. MailChimp will ask what type of campaign you want to create, so select Email. After that, choose Regular. This is the standard option for building a newsletter that you can send to your audience. Next, you'll need to name your campaign. This name is for your own organization, so choose something clear and easy to identify later. You might use a name like Monthly Newsletter, Weekly Update, or July Promotions. After entering the name, click Begin to move forward. Now it's time to choose your email template. MailChimp gives you several ways to build your newsletter, including saved templates, designed templates, basic layouts, start from scratch, custom HTML, and recent emails. For this tutorial, choose a basic layout because it gives you a simple structure that's easy to customize. Browse through the available layouts and click Apply on the one that best fits your newsletter. Once the editor opens, you can start designing your newsletter using MailChimp's drag and drop tools. This is where your email really starts to come together. You can add content blocks such as text, images, buttons, dividers, columns, social links, and videos. If the template already has blocks in place, you can edit those too. Just drag new blocks into the layout or click existing blocks to make changes. To customize the overall look of the email, open the Styles tab. Here you can adjust the background color, font styles, text colors, link colors, button styles, logo placement, and image settings. This is an important step because it helps your newsletter match your brand identity. Take your time here and make sure everything looks consistent and professional. Now let's edit the individual content blocks. Click any block in the email preview to open its editing options. From here, you can change the text, replace images, adjust spacing, edit block styles, and control visibility. You can also move blocks around, duplicate them if you need repeated sections, or delete any block you don't want. This flexibility makes it easy to build a clean and polished newsletter layout. When your design is ready, click Save and Exit. MailChimp will bring you back to the campaign summary page where you can finish the remaining setup steps before sending. Next, configure your campaign settings. Start with the Recipient section. Here you can choose your audience, select an optional segment, and exclude contacts if needed. MailChimp also lets you personalize recipient names, which can help improve engagement and make your emails feel more personal. Then check your sender information. Make sure the sender name and sender email address are correct, because this is what people will see in their inbox. After that, enter your subject line and preview text. These two fields are very important because they help improve open rates and give subscribers a clear idea of what the email is about. Now choose your send time. You can send a newsletter immediately or schedule it for a future date and time if you want to plan ahead. Once each section is complete, save your changes before moving on. Before you click send, do one final review of everything. Double check your audience, sender information, subject line, email design, and send settings. This last check helps you avoid mistakes and ensures your newsletter goes out exactly the way you intended. When everything looks correct, click send. Your MailChimp newsletter is now ready to reach your audience. And that's how to create and set up a newsletter on MailChimp from beginning to end. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful walkthroughs, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.